celebrated as No Smoking Day. The theme of this year is quitting smoking doesn't have to be stressful. No Smoking Day is an annual health awareness day in the United Kingdom that is intended to help smokers who want to quit smoking. The first No Smoking Day was on Ash Wednesday in 1984 and it now takes place on the second Wednesday in March. The motto behind this day celebration is to help people to quit smoking forever. According to the researchers, this effort has proven very effective and was observed that at least one among the 10 people has been observed to give up smoking on this day. No Smoking Day aims to bring awareness to the dangers of this addiction. The day also tries to help people decide to try and quit smoking. Thank you.
Here, the students of grade 7 are going to showcase the effects of smoking.
Happy morning. I am Anil from grade 7. Today I am going to speak about larynx cancer. Larynx cancer. Larynx means voice box. Due to smoking, the voice box is affected. Thank you.
Happy morning. I am Avinashi from grade 7. Today's esophageal cancer. Cancer of tube that runs through throat to stomach is affected. So esophageal cancer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning. I am Kingsley Durai from grade 7. Lung cancer, a cancer that occurs in the lungs and often begins in the people who does smoking. Thank you.
Happy morning. I am Nakul from grade 7. Chronic bronchitis. It leads to swelling and irritation in the bronchial tubes and blocks the air passage. Thank you.
Happy morning. My name is Shakthi. Now I am studying in grade 7. Emphysema. Emphysema is a condition in which air sacs of lungs get damaged. It is a serious lung disease caused due to smoking. Thank you.
Due to smoking, not only the lungs are affected, it also affects other parts of body. Other diseases caused due to the smoking are oral cancer, peptic ulcer, urinary bladder cancer and myocardial infarction, which means heart attack. Thank you.